Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows is updated to the latest stable build and you have administrator rights. Once done, open Task Manager and pin Runtime Broker to the top so you can watch its behavior in real time. This tells you if the issue is constant or tied to specific events. Next, inspect background apps and app permissions. Some UWP apps trigger Runtime Broker. Now take a note of any new apps or recent installs before moving on. You now perform deeper diagnostics. Run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted files. This often resolves malformed Runtime Broker calls. Then, methodically disable background apps and revoke unnecessary permissions. Make sure to test after each change so you isolate the offender. Use Event Viewer to correlate Runtime Broker events with app timestamp. Finally, you confirm the fix and handle persistent cases. Perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. Disable non-Microsoft services and startup items. Reboot and re-enable items one at a time to find the culprit. If Runtime Broker still misbehaves, create a new Windows user profile and move your files. Profile corruption can cause recurring spikes. As a last targeted measure, run wsreset.exe to clear the Microsoft Store cache when store apps are implicated. If problems continue, restore a recent system point or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.